Dear friends, I already uploaded a lot of stamp collections on the YouTube of different countries. So one more I'm going to upload today is on Helvetia. Helvetia is supposed to be Switzerland stamps. So all are very old stamps. I think most of them are rare stamps also. I'll show you, go through all my collections of Helvetia. Okay, just see. Some of them are very old stamps. I think most of them are rare collections also. So I must get a good value for all this. I have not evaluated my stamps. I am yet to find out from the different catalogs what is the actual value, what is the condition of my stamps. Okay, whether it is really rare all the time. Oh, one average of one stamp has got mixed up there, right? No problem. Okay. Now these are all Helvetia stamps. Most of the stamps are before 1960, 1960, because I've been collecting it almost from the year 1960. Okay. Huge collections I have, nearly around 10 to 12,000 stamps. I've been segregating everything now only because I am retired from service and I am aged 72 already. So now this is the hobby for me during my lockdown period of COVID also. Now I'm not supposed to go out of the house, so sitting at home and sorting out all the stamps which I have collected and trying to upload in the YouTube for the benefit of stamp lovers. Okay, everything is Helvetia. Beautiful stamps. Okay, coming back to the third sheet. See, these are all what we call it as a plastic stamp insertership. I have not stuck any stamp, so whichever stamp I get, I just insert into this album. Okay, some of them are damaged, but still I am keeping it. I don't know, because only for the study purpose I am keeping some of the stamps. I don't want to destroy any of my stamp because it does not have any value or it is damaged. Okay. In fact, I have to rearrange the stamps also based on the issues together because these are all got mixed up. Okay, almost one series of stamp you will find it in different places because it all got mixed up. Okay, this is one side of the album which I showed. Now I'll show the back side of the album also. See, these are all the back side of the album sheet. These are also all Helvetia stamps. Okay, these are all very good condition. You can just see. Even the postal mark on that is so clear. Okay. I got most of the stamps. I have kept one behind the other looks like duplicate, that's why I kept one behind the other also, so I can even exchange the stamps with my philatelic friends. Yeah, see, this looks damaged, but still looks very old. I think I'll keep it. Okay. Now this is the other side of the album. Here also, I think the Helvetia stamps are only that much. Okay. Now I'll also cover my Italy stamps also in this, so it will be a single video. I've got a good collection of Italy stamps also. You can see Italy stamps. Okay, these are also all very old issues. Okay, there are series of issues in different colors also, and some postal marks are also very clear on that. Okay, one Portugal stamp has crept inside. Okay, no problem, I'll separate it out later. Okay, now you see these stamps are so beautiful, not even one piece damaged, looks so nice and intact. Okay, with original postal marks, not smudged also. See, some personalities, I'll have to find out who they are. Nice ones. Okay, slightly bigger stamps, so how to slightly enlarge it. Okay, I think I had found out in the catalog this seems to be a slightly rare stamp. Okay, now come to the next page. Yeah, again you can see almost similar stamps there with different colors. Okay, series of stamps, same one but series of stamps. All are duplicates, but still I have seen it. See, this is a quadra stamps in one sheet with a full seal. Yeah, these are also seems to be old one, very old issue. Some Romania stamps also I got mixed up over there. How to change? Okay, right. Okay, fantastic stamps. See, these are also very old stamps. I don't know how to just find out the value of all these stamps. All in good condition. Very good condition. Look at this. So beautiful. Two stamps here. Okay, let me see on the other side of the page. Yeah, I have a few collections here also. I have a few collections here also, Italy. You can see beautiful stamps. Okay. This seems to be very old issue. Just to check the value. Okay. Yeah, fantastic Italy stamps here. Looks very beautiful. I think this is also find a good value later. Okay, right. I think these are all covering first Helvetia and Italy stamps. Helvetia stamps, Italy stamps on the table. There are many more collections I'll upload in other videos.